Hey, I just found 3 really useful iPhone features that you're gonna love, and they all solve genuinely annoying problems. So by the end of this video, you'll know how to set timers to specific times, make reminders impossible to miss, and quickly navigate through deep menu settings. So iPhone 26 now lets you set timers that finish at specific times. Deadlines are stressful, so avoid the manual time calculations. Instead, tell Siri to set a timer to finish at a specific time. For example, hey Siri, set a timer to finish at 6 p.m. Your timer counts down the exact moment, giving you a constant visual reminder of how long you have left without all the mental math. iPhone 26 now lets you set reminders that are impossible to miss. The Reminders app has always felt easy to ignore. Notifications appear, you swipe them away, and suddenly it's 3 days, 3 hours until you forgot the very thing you were supposed to remember. Now you can mark urgent reminders which trigger an actual alarm at the due time, making reminders functionally impossible to miss. So we're going to create a reminder normally by opening the Reminders app, tapping the plus button, and giving it a name. Set your due date and time. Then simply look for the urgent toggle under the date and time. When that reminder comes due, your iPhone treats it like an alarm, full screen text alert, sound, the works, even when the focus is on or your device is muted. iOS 26 now makes it easier to jump back through your settings. So you're 6 menus deep into your settings trying to change something obscure. When you're done, the only way back seems to be tapping back repeatedly. Now there's a better way. Tap and hold the back button in the top left corner. A pop-up menu appears showing your navigation path. Tap any level to jump directly there, instead of backing out one screen at a time. This sounds minor until you're buried in the settings trying to adjust something technical, or you've got through multiple submenus and just want to get back to the main menu. Hey, and there you have it. 3 buried but genuinely useful iPhone settings you can't afford not to use. So let me know in the comments below what features you found most useful. And don't forget to check out my iPhone playlist with useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.